Hello, there's no easy way. Ano ka ba? Kanina pa binili yan. Ang sayad ko, kanina pa. Bawas na nga, oh, there's no easy way. Yan, singram, ha? Oo naman.
Kaya naman ako
gagawin mo. Umibig ka na ng baliwag, manok.
Larry Graham ngayon, Ingram naman. Puro may gram. Ano yun? There's no easy way. Dali ako sa labas.
Hindi ka lang lumabas. Wala ka sa sarili.
Nangyari sa'yo.
Bumalik sa kanya yung kukote niya.
Ano, nautog na yan muli dyan. Kaya ganyan lang mangyayari sa makina. Hindi ka rin laklak. Tama na yung laklak ng ganyan.
Ito no. Laro na tayo na. Laklak.
Nangyari dito.
Pauwi ko.
Ayun na, Darnot.
Ayan na. Agal naman, there's no easy way, nakutot na ako. O, lalaki tayo ngayon. Para kay Eduardo, sana pumasok bukas. Hi! I held her close to me, cause I know she loved so easily. And then I told her what I knew, no matter how I tried to console her. She just do what best she could. But there's a time the best is slow down good. And no matter how you try to be kind, there's always still a part of you could leave behind. When it falls apart, there's no easy way to break somebody's heart. I lied and told her she'd be fine, though we both knew it was just a lie. I had to do it, cause I've said anything to help me get through it. Then she reached out for my hand, and her simple thought was more than I could stand. And I had to turn away, cause I knew all the hurt that she was feeling through the wall. But when it falls apart, there's no easy way to break somebody's heart. She could have gotten angry and made me feel like a guilty child, but I realized that never was her style. I wanted her to hurt me and not treat me like a friend. I wanted her to stay there, be someday. I come crawling on knees to ask her back again, but she acted like a lady till the end. Oh, what a lady. I thought that she'd break down, but she smiled at me and never made a sound. And I guess she understood in her way, cause her silence told me everything she could not say. When it falls apart, there's just no easy way. There's just no easy way. There's no easy way to break somebody's heart.
Galing po si Jane eh. Mas magaling maboses mo. Patunayan mo, mas magaling boses mo. Maglupit boses niyan.
Very good. Good lang.
Hindi na, mamahinan po.
Oo.
Parang nalilya. At matapos parang ayaw na nalilya.
Naiiya ba yung sumali ng contest?